don't go near my light.
Yeah, you go to the light, then guess what? You go that light through too.
It's a good one. In front of the paddle. There.
Yeah, well, lucky we had this thing because all the other helicopters we always put a replace it every 2
Right.
weeks because somebody hits everything on you. Alright, people up. Oh, I had to fix that. Some of these helicopters.
Well, that's it. That's a good one.
A lot of power. Hell yeah, that needs a lot of power there. Most of you get ready. Don't go to the wall. Damn, that's a lot of power. Up.
I lost it for a few
Go,
minutes.
go.
Oh,
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 don't go there.
don't go crazy on me.
Oh, this was a video of your kid though. Yeah.
Oh, get back up there.
It's gonna nick that wall.
Listen to that.
You ain't gonna have a wall. Oh, your window. Oh,
God,
damn.
this is fantastic, this video.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
What the hell did that go? Look at it. Oh.
where'd it go? In the corner in the Florida room.
It came back. Are you ready? Well, let's see if I can get it to go. Oh, geez.
All right, go.
That is a fast fucking thing. What's that? Oh, it's all the way up to there, baby.
Yes, it is. I've got a good picture of it.
Jesus Christ!
It's ready to go.
Let's see if I'm. Oh,
It's ready to go.
gosh. Get it all the way in the freaking. I can't. It gets all the way in the. What the f?
Are you kidding?
I think it's a blade.
Okay, try it.
Sounded like it hit something. I don't know what that was. Let's see what it is.
People,
I'm gonna
this thing does not fly well.
Let's just get up crazy.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Go again.
Let's see. It went all the way back.
Go again. You know what? I'm about done with this. Go.
See you up now.
That was a good flip.